I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the widget at the source. Right-click an empty area of the taskbar, select News and Interests, then choose Turn Off. This immediately removes the card from view, and you'll notice the system stops fetching headlines. Once done, make sure the icon and text are gone. If not, restart Explorer or sign out and back in. You perform this first step to prevent the feed from reloading while we apply deeper settings in the next slide. Next, open Settings and go to Personalization then Taskbar to make the change persistent. You toggle off Show News and Interests on the taskbar so Windows does not re-enable it after updates. Make sure you also check System Notifications and Actions for any similar toggles. Some OEM apps reintroduce content via notifications. Once you disable those, the OS stops requesting feed data and reduces background network activity. This is the middle, more durable step before final cleanup. Finally, enforce the change with group policy or the registry so it survives updates. You run gpedit. MSC, navigate to User Configuration Administrative Templates, find Turn Off News and Interests and set it to Enabled. If you're on Home, use the registry key equivalent to disable the feature system-wide. Once applied, reboot to confirm. If the feed returns, check for third-party shell extensions and undo recent updates. Restoring Explorer or reverting the registry policy usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.